Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my channel. Now the recipe that I'm going to share with you all today is my version of Malai Tikka Bites, or nuggets if you want to call them. These are so soft and so easy to make. Even my toddler enjoyed these because they were mildly spiced, so they're perfect for children as a starter. Let me run through what you need and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is 500 grams, which is half a kg of chicken breast fillet. I've cleaned it, washed it and cubed it into small pieces. You need 4 tablespoons of double cream, 2 tablespoons of shop bought breadcrumbs. I've got 1 small red onion, which I've roughly chopped, and I've got fresh mint leaves here, which roughly equate to approximately 2 tablespoons. And I've got 1 teaspoon of the following spices: salt, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seeds and dried chili flakes. I've also got 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger and garlic here. You also need oil when we come to fry the nuggets, and also a food processor. So let's start cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken breast pieces and we're just going to add them into a food processor. And then we're going to throw in most of the ingredients. So in with the red onions and the fresh mint leaves as well, and all of the dry spices like that, and also the ginger and garlic. And we're going to blitz this now until we have like a smooth-ish texture and consistency, and I'll show you how that looks once it's done. And that is the consistency we're looking for. Now to this, we are now going to add our cream and breadcrumbs. So 4 tablespoons of cream goes in. 2, 3, 4. That's the 4th one, sorry, I think I counted wrong. Like that. And then straight in with the breadcrumbs as well. And we're going to blitz it until all those ingredients are nicely mixed. I'm just going to push down the mince from the side so everything is really nicely combined, just like that, and just give it one final blitz just to make sure everything is nicely mixed. There you have it. Perfect. And that is the consistency we are looking for with the cream added into that. And I'm just going to take that out into a bowl and we'll move on to the next stage of the recipe. Right, so we're firstly going to start by greasing our hands lightly with oil, like that. And then we're going to take a decent amount of mixture and we're going to sort of like squeeze it like that, so it comes up like a little nugget, and we're going to drop them in to the hot oil. Do the same thing again, like that, and just continue to make them and drop them into the hot oil, however many you can fit into your pot, wok, whatever you're frying with, like that. And we're going to fry these for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're nice and golden brown in colour. And then we're going to take them out and just pop them onto some kitchen paper to drain, and I'll show you how they look once they're done. So guys, once you drop the little chicken nugget bites inside the oil, if the temperature is quite hot on the oil, then just make sure you turn them over, because you don't want them to burn on one side, and they will do quite quickly if they're in hot oil. And just look at that, how beautiful do they look? So easy to make as well. Right, okay, these are perfectly ready now, and I'm just going to take them out onto some kitchen paper. So there you are guys, my Malai Tikka bites are ready, and this recipe gave me approximately 30 bites. Again, it's all down to size, however big or small you make them. So let me plate these up and show you guys exactly how they are. Okay guys, I have served up my beautiful Malai Tikka bites here, and I'm going to try them and tell you guys exactly how it is. But before I do that, just want to mention, if you're serving this up at a dinner party on the table, just have to hand a few cocktail sticks so people can pick them up and just use them to pick them up and dip them into the sauce, so they don't even need to get their hands dirty. Perfect appetizer. But I am going to go straight in with my hands and I'm going to try them and tell you how it is. So dip into the chutney. Look at that. Perfect. And you could literally put the entire lot in your mouth, it's that small, but I'm not going to do that on camera. That is super soft and it's so tasty. Mildly spiced, absolutely wonderful. Let's dip it in the chutney again. Oh my god, it's so good. No wonder my toddler was enjoying these. Big thumbs up from me, and an even bigger thumbs up for my toddler who enjoyed them. Okay guys, right, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already, and hit that bell notification to never miss a video. Also follow me on Instagram at My Little Kitchen Recipes, and I'll be back again with another video next week. Till then, take care and happy eating.